A web browser can take us anywhere on the internet. But in this open source era, we have a hell lot of options. And choosing the best one could be a highly confusing task. In this video, we will hunt for the best one. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. When it comes to choose the best browser for the Windows, the answer is quite obvious, Chrome. And the reason behind it is its secret ingredients, the extensions. Need to apply VPN? Want dark web page? Blocking ad on YouTube? Or maybe YouTube Enhancer. Everything is on your fingertips. There are a hell lot of extensions which you can apply on most of the browsers for Windows. But when it comes to Android Chrome, or in fact any Android browser, the magic is gone. There is no option of adding extensions. Then we start an expedition for the search of free VPNs. But are they any good to use? Let's check it. Before applying VPN, let's check the internet speed. Applying VPN, checking internet speed once again. Trust me, it took years even to connect. And the internet speed has fallen down like Golden Gate Bridge. Time to say goodbye to the VPN. Now, $1 million question arises. Is there any browser which supports extension? Okay Google, which Android browser supports extension?
Here's a summary from GHacks. Kiwi browser introduced support for Chrome browser extensions in its latest update.
Kiwi is an open-sourced Android browser developed by a senior XDA member. It supports extensions and it is based on Chromium engine. Let's check the workability of this browser, whether the VPN extensions works flawlessly or not. For that, first we will check the internet speed within the browser. Then applying VPN through extension. And again checking the internet speed. We can see the internet speed remains almost same even after applying VPN. For that I used Hola VPN. It is a lifetime free VPN and works great. Applying extensions are really easy. You just need to open Chrome Store, search for the desired extension and add it. I use uBlock Origin extension for blocking ads. Along with them, I use Dark Reader and Pushbullet extension. These are my Fantastic Four which I use on my phone. Dark Reader extension for turning web pages dark. Pushbullet for pushing the web page link to any other devices. And doing it on Windows Chrome is magical. Web page opens automatically. Kiwi browser has lots of useful features like desktop mode, night mode, inbuilt ad blocker, and so on. You can choose between light and dark themes. There are lots of different options which can be adjusted according to the need. And also you can set desktop mode as default for the big screen devices. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.